Alrighty, so we're back. Alright, so this is the Titan 12T motor I was talking about in the chat. It's meant for 8.4 volts. Runs in a two-wheel drive slash from Traxxas. So it was not mine. And this is 9.6 volt Aurora high capacity battery. Now when it runs into here, it almost gives it 30% more speed. And but from right here, you'll see that sparks will start to like jump out a little, but after a while it'll stop. Now if you run 11.1 volts into here, it's just gonna be shooting sparks out, and you'll smell smoke, and it'll burn up almost instantly. Okay. Then right here, we've got the receiver. This right here plugged into another RC car that I'm repairing. To control the steering. Okay. Then the battery runs into here, goes up, and then you turn the switch on. That's going to allow it to come back out through here. It's going to go through these plugs. You can actually change out the battery, or the motor. See, same plugs. And it will run. Here, let's see if it'll work. I don't know if this battery's charged, but here, ready? There you go, see? And see, it just popped loose, and now it won't work. Got to complete that circuit. Turn that off now. Alright, now we have a 1/24 scale Jeep that I took apart because I felt like it. Alright, so basically, what's going to happen is you're going to have this motor, little tiny brushless motor, run into here, and it's going to latch onto this gear right there, okay? When this spins, it spins something that looks a little bit like this, which has a differential, so when you spin it one way, the other side spins the opposite way. And that's so that when they spin the same way, they'll latch onto each other, and they won't just sit there and just spin, and not move the car at all. So this one was set about that's probably the wrong side. It was set like this, okay? So when the motor spun it, it would spin it like that. See? Kind of difficult using your fingers. See how it works like that? Okay. But if I spin it this way, they spin the opposite way. See? And that's to make sure that they will lock in place. Here's your bearings. That allows them to spin. Then on here, you've got the battery compartment. You've got the receiver. This part plugged into the switch. It won't turn on. But see, the switch is right here. And this part plugs into the... I forgot what that plugged into actually. But as you see, same stuff. Battery power runs into here, goes through here. The switch stops circuit, but then when you flick the switch open, it completes a circuit, and then it'll run through here, and you'll be able to power this, and that's how that works. And then over here, whoopsies, this is a drone motor. It's a lot lighter, but this thing spins at 55,000 revolutions per minute, okay? This one right here is like 30, I think. And the RC car that it was hooked up to goes 25 miles an hour. So this is for a very small drone motor. It'll spin like, I mean, I'll just be sitting here and I'll hook it up to a motor and it'll be like, and it'll just fly off. And that's pretty cool. But yeah, there you go. There's some math.